Wait, there you go. He does it so smooth. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1. Speed up.
From your head down to your toes. Come in about midnight. Leaves about dawn.
Roll it back and 1. Quarter touches. Bring it over a little. Swing kicks. 1. Now this is a hard hit. Lunge and freeze. Roll it. 5, 6, 7. Boogie swivels. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Very nice. 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Suspend. Nice. Roll it back.
I think this night is passing just too damn slow.
Kick it. And 1. This is another hard hit. Freeze.
A fifth of whiskey and a case of the blues.
Here we go. Come on. Smooth and cool. Accelerate here. Suspend here. That was that little guitar riff there. Turn it. Swing kicks. Now this is a soft lunge, not as hard as the others. Soft. Beautiful. And 5, 6, pivot 7, quick ball step. Speed it up. Here we go. 1. Good body roll. Show me. Quarters. Beautiful. Swing kicks. Go. This is a soft lunge. A 5, 6, 7. Here we go.
The whiskey's gone, but the blues are still here. I wish the bars were open so I get myself a beer. I'd do anything to get out of this funk. I wanna get me some money, go on a wild turkey hunt. I need some southern comfort.
All right, this is gonna be a hard lunge. Freeze.
I got a fifth of whiskey and a case of the blues.
Speed it up. Suspend. Oh, nice. This is a soft lunge. One more wall, bring it home. Here we go. Woo. Keep dancing. Turn it. Keep turning and give me a pose and a look.